Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix the microphone issue in NVIDIA. So let's start. So I have two options for do it. So the first option is go to your help bar and then just click here and just go to panel control. Just click here and then let's go to sound. Okay, in my case it's in Spanish, but the same steps are in English. So just click on sound. And here just release that your microphone is turned on. So this is the microphone I turn on, and check if the other microphone on your computer are disabled. So in this case, if you can check, this microphone is the second microphone I have is disabled. So just click here, and if you want to disable, just click on disable the microphone on the right click. Okay, so if you want to change your microphone and turn off this, also you can disable this one, or if you want to activate, just activate the microphone. Okay, that is the first way to do it. So you have to check if only you have one microphone using. Okay, the second one is go to again to the bar taskbar here, and then just go to settings, and let's go to sounds, and just click here on your sound settings. Just click here, and if you can check here also, you can get on the microphone. Just click here and just click on solve problems here, and if your microphone has a problem on your computer, well, Microsoft will detect it. So just click here, and you can check also if you want to go to properties and go to test your microphone. You can disable too, or you can change the name for find this easily. So that's the way to do it. So this is the two options that you have. The first option, well, is go to panel control. The second option is go to sound settings and to fix the problems of your microphone. I hope some of this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.